Welcome to the Italian Gentleman. 1 year ago, I smelled Nishane Ani for the first time and I instantly fell in love with it. But there was a major problem. I wanted to spend 200 euros for a 50 ml bottle. So I searched on YouTube and looking for an alternative. And according to almost everyone, French Avenue Spectre Ghost was the best alternative. And honestly, I absolutely love it. A few weeks ago, I found Nishane Ani for 90 euros and I decided to buy it. So today we are going to unbox it, compare the expectations with reality and find out why this fragrance has become so beloved. Let's get started. So first of all, Nishane always does a fantastic job with the presentation. The box opens like this, and so you have like a slide and then you have almost like a book. And inside you have the cover, like a letter, with a postcard of Ani. And the top notes inside are bergamot, green notes, blue ginger, pink pepper, blackcurrant, Turkish rose, cardamom, patchouli, cedarwood, vanilla, benzoin, ambergris, musk and sandalwood. So the box feels premium and the bottle itself looks elegant and luxurious without being over the top. The cup is very heavy, metallic, but now let's see how it smells. Incredible pressurized atomizer. And yeah, wow. Exactly how I remember the fragrance the first time I smelled it. Just a blast of ginger and bergamot. Almost like a lemon vanilla cake feeling, but without being overly sweet. Yeah, so just amazing smell. So elegant, sweet, but not over the top. There's also a beautiful green freshness that keeps everything well balanced. So after 1 year, I finally got my bottle of Nishane Ani. Is it worth it? It's definitely one of the best niche vanilla fragrances on the market right now. Of course, Spectre Ghost does its job, but this is another level. This is another level in my opinion. So I understand why this fragrance becomes so popular in the fragrance community. I can't wait winter coming to be able to wear this. This is definitely winter and fall and winter fragrance, not for the high heat. It's almost 40 degrees now in Vienna where I'm living, so I will not able to wear this for a while. But as soon as the fall comes, then I will. This is for a special occasion, for date night, events, evenings. This is not a daily driver, but yeah, such a beautiful vanilla scent with a lemon undertone and ginger, and well, I'm so happy. And now it's you. Have you tried Nishane Ani? Would you buy it? Are you interested in this kind of scent profile? Or you like more popular fragrances like Stronger With You, for example, Absolutely, or Parfum de Marly Altair? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.